Okay guys, and welcome back. Now in the next lecture you're going to need to use the developer ribbon, and if you don't have the developer ribbon available, here's how you get to it. This is Excel 2010, which is the same for Excel 2010 and 2013. Just come to File, come to Options, and from Options choose Customize Ribbon, and over here you'll see Developer, and just tick that little box and click OK, and then you will have the developer ribbon. Now if you're on Excel 2016, it's very similar. You just come up to File and you come to Options, and from Options again choose Customize Ribbon, and again just come over here to the Developer tab, tick that little button, click OK, and there you go. Now you have the developer ribbon. Okay, I'll see you in the next lecture.